Did you know that beetroot has been called nature's candy because of its natural sweetness and vibrant color? Plus, it's packed with nutrients that can boost your energy and health. But what happens when beetroot becomes the star ingredient in every dish? Let's find out. Welcome back to Hello Vegan Eats. Today, I'm taking you on a unique food journey at the world's first beetroot cafe. That's right, this entire menu revolves around beetroot. From drinks to desserts, every dish incorporates this humble root vegetable in ways you've probably never imagined. Why did I decide to try this? Well, I've always been curious about how chefs can take an ingredient with such a distinct, earthy flavor and transform it into gourmet creations. Let's explore the menu together and see if beetroot can win me over. Let's talk about beetroot for a second. Be honest, how do you feel about it? If you're like most people, you either love it or hate it. It's one of those ingredients that often divides opinions because of its strong, earthy flavor. I'll admit, I've been hesitant about it too. Sure, I knew beetroot was packed with health benefits. It's great for your heart, boosts stamina, and is loaded with antioxidants, but could it really hold its own in dishes beyond a basic salad? When I first heard about the Beetroot Cafe, I was skeptical. I thought, how many ways can you really use beetroot without it tasting the same in every dish? But I also love food challenges, and this sounded like the perfect way to push my culinary boundaries and explore beetroot's full potential. So, I went in with an open mind, ready to be surprised, and wow, was I ever. Let's start with the drinks because that's where the menu truly caught me off guard. First up, a beetroot latte. The presentation was stunning, a creamy, magenta-colored drink topped with latte art. I was expecting something overly earthy, but it turned out to be perfectly balanced. The natural sweetness of beetroot came through, and the creamy texture made it comforting, like a warm hug in a cup. Next, I tried the beetroot smoothie. It was blended with bananas, berries, and a hint of ginger. This one was a flavor explosion, sweet, tangy, and spicy all at once. The beetroot gave it a rich, earthy undertone that tied everything together beautifully. Now, onto the appetizers. The beetroot hummus platter was a colorful delight, served with pita bread, cucumbers, and carrots. The hummus itself was creamy, slightly tangy, and just earthy enough to let you know the beetroot was there without overpowering the other flavors. For the main course, I couldn't pass up the beetroot risotto. This dish was the definition of comfort food, rich, velvety, and perfectly seasoned. The beetroot added a touch of natural sweetness and a gorgeous red hue that made the dish visually stunning. Another surprise? Beetroot tacos. Yes, you heard that right. They were filled with roasted beetroot, avocado, pickled onions, and a spicy chipotle sauce. The combination of flavors was fresh, vibrant, and completely unexpected. But let me tell you about the dish that completely stole the show, the beetroot and goat cheese tart. This was a work of art. The pastry was buttery and flaky, the goat cheese was tangy and creamy, and the beetroot was roasted to perfection. It had this caramelized sweetness that balanced beautifully with the savory elements. Honestly, I didn't think I'd be so blown away by something as simple as beetroot, but this tart proved me wrong. This dish wasn't just delicious, it changed the way I think about beetroot entirely. It showed me that beetroot isn't just a side ingredient, it can be the star of the plate, adding depth and complexity to any dish. It was a perfect reminder of how creative cooking can transform even the most humble ingredients into something extraordinary. After exploring this beetroot-inspired menu, I can confidently say I've been converted. I went in expecting to tolerate beetroot at best, but I left genuinely impressed by its versatility. From savory mains to sweet desserts, beetroot proved it has what it takes to shine in every course. This experience taught me that sometimes, it's worth stepping outside of your comfort zone and giving ingredients a second chance. Not only did I get to enjoy some incredible dishes, but I also gained a new appreciation for the creativity and innovation that go into plant-based cooking. Now it's your turn. Do you love beetroot, or is it an ingredient you've avoided? Have you ever tried something unexpected with beetroot that totally surprised you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next food adventure. Who knows what ingredient I'll explore next? See you next time.